In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best drinks for high blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a common condition that affects many individuals. But did you know that certain drinks can help in managing blood pressure levels? Stay tuned as we explore these powerful beverages. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of health-conscious individuals. And hey, if you find today's video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. When it comes to managing high blood pressure, lifestyle modifications, including dietary choices, play a significant role. Let's start with skim milk. Skim milk is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for maintaining bone health. It is also low in fat and cholesterol. Studies suggest that including low-fat dairy products, such as skim milk, in your diet may help reduce blood pressure levels. However, it's important to consider individual dietary needs and preferences when incorporating skim milk into your routine. Next on our list is tomato juice. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients like lycopene, vitamin C, and potassium. These components have been associated with potential benefits for blood pressure management. Tomato juice, made from ripe tomatoes, can be a delicious and refreshing choice that provides these beneficial nutrients. However, it's important to choose low-sodium options or make your own juice to control the salt content. Beet juice has gained popularity in recent years for its potential blood pressure-lowering effects. Beets are rich in nitrates, compounds that have been shown to promote blood vessel dilation and improve blood flow. Drinking beet juice may help lower blood pressure in some individuals. However, it's important to note that beet juice can also affect urine and stool color temporarily, which is harmless but might be surprising to some. Moving on to hibiscus tea. This vibrant herbal tea is known for its tart flavor and beautiful crimson color. Hibiscus tea contains natural compounds that have been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects. Studies have suggested that regular consumption of hibiscus tea may help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. It's a delightful and refreshing alternative to traditional tea or coffee. Last but certainly not least, we have pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants and have been associated with numerous health benefits, including potential effects on blood pressure. Drinking pomegranate juice may help reduce systolic blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. However, it's important to choose 100% pure pomegranate juice without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Remember, while these drinks show promise in helping manage high blood pressure, it's important to incorporate them as part of a well-rounded diet and lifestyle. Additionally, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And hey, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.